So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $105,000. It just changed to 104,900 something. The overall situation of Bitcoin hasn't changed. It is still holding to our bullish support, the super bullish support of 102,500. As long as that thing is intact, we can expect that Bitcoin is going to continue with its upward rally. And let's look at it just a second. This is what we looked at last time as well, and we are looking at it again. Just a second. Visually, we broke out of this downward resistance and we are living above it. If it goes back down, we have the support area, and this one is 102,500. This black line, that is our support area. As long as Bitcoin continues to hold on to this area, you can continue to expect the upward journey. Now, today we had some reaction in Bitcoin. It had a little bit more movement than the usual towards $106,000. And you would be wondering, why did that happen? That was because SEC approved 11 ETFs. Now, this stamp of approval of 11 ETFs gives more room for Bitcoin's growth, because now legally more funds can flow into Bitcoin, and that's the whole point of ETFs. That's a centralized control, and it's all KYC'd, and those who are obsessed with KYCs and those who are obsessed with legality and everything around that, they are the ones who go and knock on the doors of the ETF and they say, here is my money, buy it for me. Now, the other crowd who is educated and they are self-reliant and they are not from 1500s where women had to rely on their husbands for money, they go and they buy Bitcoin on their own. They don't go to ETFs or institutions. They have a little bit of brain left and they still go and buy Bitcoin on their own. So they don't care about the ETFs part, but that's how the game is being played. Other than that, it is still trying to play out its cup and handle. Of course, initially it had its stop loss area at 104,600. It invalidated it, it dropped down. Now it has again created one at $104,000, but it is still a cup and a handle, so we have to stick to it. Now, if you are trying to do a scalp or a small trade on Bitcoin, then based on the cup and handle structure, your stop loss would be around $104,000. As long as 104 holds, you can expect it to deliver on this thing, and the deliverance on this thing, we have already discussed the size of it. It's going to be 107,500. We did see some delivery, but that was under-delivered. It went up to 106,400, but the actual delivery is going to be 107,500. I mean, we are expecting 110 journey anyway. We are expecting overall journey of 120, but based on the basis of this cup and handle, 107,500 is the minimum that we are expecting from it. But this cup and handle becomes invalidated completely at 104,000, because if this time it does a bit of drama and then it comes down here, it will become a double top and it will be invalid anyway, because if it delivers, if it breaks below 104,000, it will start going down. Then things will become more fancy. Anyway, that is for short-term trade. If you don't care about that part, just ignore. As long as 102,500 holds, we are on an upward journey. The moment that breaks, then we will be talking about 97,300. And if that breaks, then we will be talking about 85, something we have been waiting for, I don't know, 2 months or so. Anyway, that's Bitcoin for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.